read more. Body coverings of animals. Body coverings of animals. Let's read the name of the animals covered with fur or hair. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Gorilla, gorilla, gorilla. Bear, bear, bear. Dog, dog, dog. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Fox, fox, fox. Animals covered with fur or hair. Elephant, gorilla, bear, dog, zebra, fox. Animals covered with fur or hair.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lesson, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCAD Tutorial Services.